Oh, if I have a cool stocking like this, it has to be Christmas time, right? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns. Oh, there's something inside. Any and everything down below. Now then, let's see what's inside this stocking. Stuck inside of here. It's another stocking! Oh, that's really cool. So, this one here, the blue one, this is actually a homemade piece. And this one right here is an actual PEZ release, and you can see it here with the tab. This is a European release item from PEZ International, so it wasn't available in the States. And inside, you can see in here, there is some candy. There is a Santa Claus PEZ dispenser. I'm not taking it out. It's kind of stuck in there, so I'm going to leave it in there. I'm not sure how it's attached, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it attached. So yeah, that's a hard one to find too. Glad I could share it with you. So until next time.